Things I wish I'd known about auditioning when I was starting out. Number one, going into the room and owning the room is the most important thing you can do as an actor. When you go in there, you own the room, you dominate the room. It's your room. That's what you want to do. Bryan Cranston told us years ago, don't go in to get the job, go in to do the job. Really important thing to do. Own the room. Number two, preparation equals power. The more you know before you go in, the more you are prepared, the more your power will show. And this will add to your confidence. When you're researching a role, you've got to make sure you understand exactly what's going on. You want to find out who's casting, who's the director, what's the production company, what's the name of the studio that it's coming from, what kind of genre are you in? You got to make sure you're in the right genre, you're performing in the right way for the right show. So you want to match that. Get the idea? If it's a comedy show and it's got Jim Carrey in, you right? You know what I'm saying? That's what you got to do. You got to realize that's the kind of thing you're doing. If De Niro's coming in, it's a very serious kind of like we're coming for you. That's the tone. You got to get the tone, match the tone, be the tone. The more you know before you go in, the more confident you will feel. Here's an NLP skill. What you want to do is whenever you want someone to feel confident about you, you need to go there first. You need to be confident yourself, inside yourself. When you feel confident, you will go into the room and you will exude the confidence that you want. If your character is confident, let that confidence go in, let it shine through. Number three, embrace the unexpected. This is the killer. This is the one that they always throw. What about reading this character? Something you're not expecting. The first reaction you want is, yes, give it to me now. Let me do this. I've got this. I can do this. Yeah, cool. That's a great idea. Standing on my head, fantastic. I got this. I can do this. Whenever you get a change in direction, that's when the casting director is really looking. Can you take notes? Can you take direction? Is this going your way? That's what you want to do. Okay. So just to recap, the three things you want to do: own the room. The more you can have that confidence, feel that confidence, build it and grow it every time. You should do this on as a daily basis. You want to build your confidence continually. Here's a little tech. Try this now. Just feel inside your mind and body system now. Just feel confident. Think of a time when you were feeling confident and feel that now. Just go back to that moment when you were feeling confident. Doesn't matter when it was or what it was, but just feel it inside your mind and body system right here, right now. And as you feel that confidence moving around your body, I want you to double that feeling. Feel that confidence flowing through your body and just feel that feeling doubling again. And as you feel the confidence doubling and doubling, every time you do this on a daily basis, what will happen? Your confidence will naturally increase as you do that, because your brain will catch on to the idea and will get you feeling super confident super quickly. Go in the room, own the room. You're not going in to get the job, you're going in to do a job. This works for self-tapes, in the room, and on Zoom. It's that good. The next one we talked about was preparation equals power. Forewarned is forearmed. Get that information. And number three, embracing the unexpected. This is the kind of thing that they they like to see how you're doing, what you're going to respond. The more you can respond in the moment, in the zone, the better. Need any help along this? Come along to my website and I'll see you soon. Any questions, drop me a line at this one, nick@nickdunning.com. Take care. Bye now.